Hello Smarties, Assalamu alaikum. Let's learn the letter Ra today. The letter Ra. It is very easy to write it. You can write it in one stroke. That's it. The letter Ra. We have Sawt Qasir when the letter has Fathah, Kasra or Dammah on it. Ra Fathah Ra, Ra Kasra Ri, Ra Dammah Ru, Ra Ri Ru. Let's see some words with the short sound. Jarasa, Jarasa, Rimah, Rimah, Rukbah, Rukbah. Let's repeat. Bell is Jarasa, spear is Rimah, and knee is Rukbah. These were our short sounds. We have Sawt Taweel when there is Alif or Ya or Waaw next to the letter. Ra with Alif, Ra. Ra with Ya, Ri. Ra with Waaw, Ru. Ra, Ri, Ru. Let's see some words with the long sound. Raccoon, Sari', Masroor. Did you hear the long sound? Let's repeat it. Raccoon in Arabic is Raccoon. Fast, Sari'. Happy, Masroor. Let's see how to write it. This is how Ra looks by itself. This is how it looks at the beginning, in the middle and at the end. Remember that Ra is a one-handed letter, which means it will only join hands with the letter before it, but not with the letter after it. Rish. Here Ra is at the beginning and Ra will never join hands with the letter after it. This is how Ra looks in the middle. We have the word Daraja, Daraja. But Ra is in the middle. Then why doesn't it have a little hand before it? That is because even Dal is a one-handed letter. So Dal does not join hands with the letter after it. That's why this Ra has no little hands. Next word, Kurra, Kurra. Over here, the Ra will join hands with the Kaf and will never join hands with the letter after it. Last word, Khudar, Khudar. Ra at the end, but there's Alif before it, and Alif will also not join hands with the letter after it. That is why Ra is by itself with no little hands. We have 6 letters which are one-handed. I will leave a link for you over here so you can watch the one-handed letters.
Yay! Now we know the letter very well.
Don't forget to subscribe and we will learn something new in the next video.